What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the realistic AI videos with the sound and also motion with Sora 2 model. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you still find the difficulties to try this Sora 2 to generate the video from the prompt or the picture, so don't worry guys, I got you here. And also in this video I will show you the alternative to try to generate the video with the Sora 2 model. So you can start to visit this Sora2.ai over here. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, this will be the home page of the Sora2.ai. And initially, they will also give you free 5 credits to generate the video. And as you can see, this will be the example of the generated video. And also you will find the profile of this AI. And this is the step to generate the video. And you can also change the languages by clicking this section. And after that, you can continue to click Try Sora 2 for free. Click here. So you can start to put your prompt into this section and also decide about the video from the text or from the image if you would like to generate it into the video. And after that, you can put the prompt into this section. For example, this one. I would like to create the video of a chef who is kneading the dough, and also on the left side will be the another dough that still have the proving face. I'm sorry. And you can scroll down and you will find the portrait or landscape for the ratio. You can choose which one do you prefer. And after that, if you would like to create the video without the watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version. And yet also, if you would like to create it for the private purposes. And after that, you can continue to generate this video. And as you can see, generating one video will consume 5 credits. And kindly wait for the generation process. It will usually take 5 minutes until 10 minutes. And also make sure that your connection is good. And after using this prompt and the generation process, so this will be the result guys. I don't even clicking play button, I just move my cursor into this video and this video automatically plays. You will find the Sora 2 watermark on the top left corner. And if you would like to download it, then you can simply click this. And after that, it will officially save into your device. Isn't that easy, right? So don't forget to try this Sora2.ai to create your own video in Sora 2 model. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it at the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.